This product is made with recycled content as part of our ambition to end plastic waste. Lifetime warranty, built to last. Wipe-able material for easy spot cleaning with soap and water. Multiple pockets give you plenty of storage space. 2 mesh side water bottle pockets that fit up to 32 ounces bottles. Padded shoulder straps for total comfort. Top reviews from the United States. Great basic backpack. I got this backpack for my daughter to use for day camp and it has been perfect. I really like the gray color with rainbow details, which add a hint of color. The bag is really lightweight, but at the same time feels sturdy and well made. It has a laptop sleeve in the main pocket and then there is a pocket in the front. The main section is surprisingly spacious and can hold my daughter's lunchbox, towel, change of clothes and whatever else she needs to bring with her for the day. There are also 2 mesh water bottle pockets, one on each side. The sizing of this is actually bigger than I thought it would be, but it's not huge so my daughter can carry it without struggling. The straps are padded and comfortable and adjustable so you can tighten or loosen them as needed. The fabric is really easy to clean and can be wiped down. Overall, this is really a well-priced and convenient backpack that can hold everything we need.